Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove kinemaster watermark. Before I start the video, please subscribe, click the notification bell, like and comment down below if you need any type of help. Let's get into the video. I have kinemaster. I'm gonna open it and show you the watermark. And what is the watermark? It's opening. I'm gonna click. Yeah, it's this one. And kinemaster is a good editing app you can use. Okay, so see at the top you see it says made with kinemaster. So this is a watermark. If I remove it, if I click on the bin, you need to pay for it, but I'm gonna show you how to do it for free. So you need to download AC Market. So I already downloaded, and you need to search. No, before I already download AC Market. So if you have any version, any kinemaster with watermark, just delete it, uninstall, just uninstall it. Or if you don't uninstall it, it's not gonna remove the watermark. Okay, open AC Market again, click kinemaster pro. Oh sorry, I'm so sorry. Yep, click on search. Yeah, it's this one. So click on the arrow there. Okay, you are using it. You need to, at the top you see the arrow and one, you need to click on it. Yeah, so see, it's installed. Yep, the kinemaster is installed without the logo, and you just simply need to click on the install button. And the other good thing is your file not gonna be removed. It gonna be however you left. That's a good thing. And kinemaster is a good editing app. It's just gonna take time. And in my channel you gonna find other good videos about technology, about how to videos. Then it's finished. So click on open. Okay, click allow. Yep, this file. See guys, now the logo is permanently removed. You can't see any logo, and it worked perfectly fine, and your all file is here. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the notification bell, like and comment. And if you want to make me, if you need any help, comment. And if you want me to make other good videos, and if you want to make me other good videos, then comment down below which type of should I make. And thanks for watching. That's it. Bye. See you in next video.